Hello everyone, it's Adam here. So this was around I guess west central Vermont, on the New York border. Lots of back roads, so lots of passing. So I'm just putting up some clips here because I guess it's been roughly 4 weeks since I got back from the Trans-Labrador trip at the moment of this recording, and BB8, who I rode with for 2 weeks on the road, invited me to go camping with him. I think actually like 2 weeks ago, and I couldn't make it work. It didn't happen. So he invited me back out on like a Wednesday, and on Wednesday he invited me out to just camp with him and his son on Friday, and they made it work. So it was the day before my birthday. No, 2 days before my birthday, so I was still 31 at the time. And here I am kind of crossing over into New York, Crown Point, New York. It was just a one-night thing, but it was 2 hours each way, so nice back roads, no interstate, and just really nice scenery, as you can tell here. And we had a pretty good time. I'll talk more in a moment after this clip is over.
My friend on the similar bike already has a day pass for me.
Yep, he's got it all down there.
How far? Where do I go?
Towards the back of the campground.
Okay, I can't keep that, but
Okay.
just straight, basically?
Yep.
Okay.
Turn by the lighthouse.
Cool, thank you.
And I threw the drone up in the air. So this is the Mavic Air, shooting in 4K at 29.97 frames per second. It was a little jumpy here because I was trying to basically shoot this thing up and avoid the treetops. So this is Lake Champlain in Vermont, well, Vermont/New York. The Crown Point Bridge here in the background of the New York Adirondacks. Really nice riding. I didn't get over there on this trip. I went down there over in that area during dirt days, which takes place at Lake George, New York. But this was just kind of fooling around with the drone, getting some nice shots. So this is Vermont, obviously this direction. So Vermont, less mountainous. Although the ride over on Route 125 from Bethel, Vermont to Middlebury, Vermont, A+. I love that route. 125 is you're climbing a pretty big mountain. I think you're hitting 3,000 or 4,000 feet. Then you're dropping down, and very twisty, very windy. You're right along a river. It's just really, really nice. So recommend it if you guys are in Vermont and around the Killington-Rutland area. Definitely do 125. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, just the drone up, just to get a little extra view. It was almost sunset, golden hour, and really, really beautiful. You'll get a ultra rare shot of me here piloting this drone. I didn't bring any pants with me or alternative shoes, so it was just my Climb Dakar pants and my Forma boots, and then my undershirt. What's up? All of these clips are the day after, so we had a great time camping, drank plenty of bourbon. I had brought some food with me, a to-go sandwich, really, really lightweight camping. I only brought one of my mattress pads, my air mattress versus my rollout foam pad. Just very, very simple camping. Only filled up the 2 Moskomoto bags. And no tank bag, no stuff in the top box. So we just roughed it, and next morning, they were going to stay until noon. Next morning I headed back out and had some breakfast in Middlebury, Neil Middlebury College. I just enjoyed the morning. So this was from like 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Heading back home. I hope you enjoy the remaining clips. I'm sorry this isn't an exciting video, but it's just nice riding around Vermont, and I thought you guys would enjoy it. There are clips in the following videos here of Bethel's, Middlebury to Bethel 125 that I think is really cool. Just lots and lots of twisties. Okay guys, enjoy, and thanks for watching.